Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download the AnyDesk, how to install the AnyDesk into your computer, and how to access the other laptop from. Alright? Then the Google Chrome and type the AnyDesk. You see the side of I am using operating system, so we need to download the Windows compatible AnyDesk. There you see the AnyDesk is in download. Click on this icon. And as you see in front of him, this is open. And then here's a trial version, but AnyDesk is not installed on your computer. So we need to install AnyDesk in your computer. So we click install AnyDesk on this device. Yes. Here you see some of setting of the AnyDesk. The first is the part of the AnyDesk. Get the AnyDesk install in your computer. Create the start menu. There is a basic setting which you need to enable or disable. So I'm go with the default setting. Accept. Install. Here's ask for permission. Yes. As you see, the processing is installed, and if it is so 1.1 version installed in my computer. And you see the icon on the desktop. If I miss, and you see the address of my AnyDesk, so where we can access the other system. Now we need to access the any other system through AnyDesk. The first phase, download the AnyDesk. Second phase, install the AnyDesk in the system. Now the third phase is how to access the any computer from the desk. Let's access any computer from this AnyDesk. Okay, guys, if you need to access any other computer from through AnyDesk, so you need the remote remote computer address. So here is the remote computer address is 399775500, which enter in this block and click on this. As you see here, connecting the other PC and wait for the other person to approve this session. As the other person approves this session, it automatically allow to access the other computer. Here the other person allow me to access his computer, and his computer screen show in front of your laptop. Here is show my PC name, so I must minimize some Windows update going to start on the other computer system, so we postpone this. Here you can see the other computer system have a Windows 7 operating system. In my system you see Windows 10. As you see, AnyDesk is available for different operating system as Mac, Android, Linux, and also Chrome OS. So you can easily download it, whichever operating system is installed on your device. Here is the option where we can set up the display setting. As you see, the display is very small on your screen. We can, as you see, it occupy all the screen of your PC. Here is you see all the, as and now the other computer is see as your desktop. Here you can open any kind of thing from the other computer, see computer, and try to do anything you want to install and remove. If we try to remove any software from the other person computer, so here we can, if I'm trying to uninstall this software, there you can see you have a complete access of the other person computer. It's help you with the other person anywhere in the world. You can and try and not miss and try to do anything. You can easily access the other person computer and help out at some kind of tasks and thing. I hope this video helped you to how to use the AnyDesk and how to install the AnyDesk and how to access the other computer from AnyDesk. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and kindly share my video with the other person who don't know how to install and download and how to use AnyDesk. Thank you.